We began the year with our Thrive in 2025 theme, and boy, have we accomplished that. To thrive represents the ability to succeed, improve our health, achieve financial freedom, and fulfill our dreams and aspirations. Thriving also means we're not just maintaining momentum, but we're amplifying it. This year and over the past several years, we've proven that lasting success is attainable and sustainable.
As a vital part of the Sisel family, you have introduced our products and business opportunity to more people than ever. In fact, Sisel has surged ahead with a remarkable 277% increase in new signups. You have pushed us forward on an unprecedented path of record double-digit growth each year over the last 5 years. As part of our 5-year cumulative growth, we've experienced an amazing 140% increase in sales, further cementing our leadership in toxin-free wellness.
Many of our international markets have also exceeded sales expectations, with incredible gains of over 130% increase in Australia and New Zealand, and over 150% growth in Japan. Much of this worldwide growth has been fueled by longtime believers in the Maurer mission, returning to those roots and joining Sisel. Around the world, more people than ever before are joining the Sisel community and are on the path to lasting change.
For the first time in Sisel's history, we have introduced new ranks. Our new Diamond, Double Diamond, Triple Diamond, Platinum Diamond, and Crown Diamond ranks reflect greater opportunities for growth, recognition, and reward. In fact, since June, Laura and Don Bacchini have already surpassed Diamond and reached Double Diamond. Congratulations to them for this incredible achievement. We also have over a dozen new 5 stars and higher ranks in Japan. Rank advancements continue to rise with almost 53% increase in 1-star and above advancements this past year.
In addition to the growth momentum fueling our success in 2025, we also unveiled 20 new products that have contributed directly to your health and wellness, as well as helping your business succeed and thrive. Among my favorite product launches were our Sisel Gut Essentials, Digestive Enzyme Support, and Daily Pre and Probiotic. Thomas and I spent countless hours developing these comprehensive formulas that provide everything you need for nutrient absorption, balanced digestion, and immune support.
Along with Sisel Gut Essentials, our advanced weight loss products, Glucominish and Trimagenic, contributed to thousands of pounds lost, a reset and recharge for your health goals. And our 3 new Sisel Light electrolyte blends support whole body function with innovative technology that balances water in the cells and boosts energy production.
Our commitment to giving back expanded during 2025 with our Sisel service initiatives that are near and dear to my heart. This new partnership allowed us to distribute 11.4 million servings, propelling us well beyond our goal of 10 million servings. We also launched our Earth Stewardship Foundation, a long-term commitment to improving habitat and supporting diverse wildlife. Thank you so much to all of you who have donated to each of these service initiatives. Your help and support are valuable, and we invite you to continue donating through the new year and even considering adding a donation to your monthly auto ship order. Every dollar helps children in need and improving our environment.
We had an exciting recognition event early this year when my father, Tom Maurer Jr., was awarded and featured as winning CEO of Excellence in Health and Wellness Services by CEO Today. This award marks a decades-long effort and collaboration with my grandfather, Tom Maurer Sr., in developing products and business opportunity that have truly changed the lives around the world for the better. This award highlights Tom's vision, which has led our company from the beginning and directly contributed to the momentous growth we continue to experience.
We truly have been thriving in 2025, and we've celebrated so many wins together, our Mauer Mountain event continues to be the premier event of the year and is greater and grander year over year. Europe is growing with new corporate and field leadership. Meetings in Japan are driving growth. And here in the US, the Masters, Mini Masters events outdo themselves each year. Now, as we look forward to 2026, it's time to take that energy to the next level. It's time to empower. Empower 2026 is about activating the power within each of us and sharing that strength with others.
To empower means to uplift, to encourage, to inspire confidence and action. It's about recognizing our ability to create positive change in ourselves, our teams, and our communities, and using that influence to build a future of limitless possibilities. As members of the Sisel family, we are part of a legacy built on innovation, integrity, and belief in human potential.
Empowerment is at the heart of that legacy. It means taking ownership of our goals, supporting one another's growth, and turning vision into reality. When we empower ourselves, we unlock new heights of creativity, leadership, and impact. When we empower others, we strengthen the entire foundation on which our shared success is built.
This year, let's lead with confidence, lift each other higher, and act with purpose. Let's empower ourselves and each other by sharing knowledge, celebrating progress, and fueling inspiration that spreads far beyond ourselves. Together, we'll make 2026 the year we don't just reach our goals, we ignite the potential that empowers a stronger, brighter, and more connected future for all.